Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device OnePlus 9. But before starting my video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get new and updated videos. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 9 the Bluetooth is not connecting or Bluetooth is not working, you can solve the Bluetooth problem as the method I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve any Bluetooth problem in your device OnePlus 9. Let's watch the video.